Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the worksheet 3 of compound interest. Coming to the 5th sum, find the difference between the compound interest and the simple interest on rupees 30,000 at 7% per annum for 3 years. So there are two sums, one is CI, one is SI, isn't it? And find out the difference between the two. So first write what are all there. It is a P is equal to, for CI it is P is equal to rupees 30,000, R is equal to 7% per annum, and N is equal to 3 years. And for SI, again P is equal to rupees 30,000, R is equal to 7% per annum, and now it is T is equal to 3 years. So CI, put the formula of A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N, 30,000 into 1 plus 7 upon 100 the whole raised to 3, it is 30,000. Now no cancellation, so it becomes 107 upon 100 3 times. Two zeros cancel, 20 cancel. Now multiply 107 3 times and into 3. You get 3675129. 3675129 upon 100. That means A is equal to 2 zeros, 2 decimal, so 36751.29. Now CI is equal to A minus P, 36,751.29 minus 30,000, you get 0.291576, and it is 6,751.29. Now SI, what is the formula for SI? PRT upon 100. So it is 30,000 into 7 into 3 upon 100. 20 cancel. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63, 2 zeros. So SI is 6,300 and CI is 6,751.29. So which is better? CI, isn't it? It gives more interest. So difference between CI and SI minus SI, 6751.29 minus 6300, 0.29 1 5 7 minus 3 4. So answer is 451.29. It is the difference between CI and SI. So everything is same, principal, rate of interest, the time is same. So always CI is better than the SI. So that was question number 5. Now coming to question number 6. Aman borrows 14,500 at 11% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Tarun borrows the same amount at 10% per annum for the same time compounded annually. Who pays more interest and by how much? See, one is Aman, one is Tarun. So, Aman and Tarun. Aman borrows principal is 14,500, 11% per annum, rate of interest 11% per annum, time for at simple interest T 3 years. Now here it is SI, okay, for Aman. But for Tarun, he borrowed the same amount, means principal is 14,500 at 10% per annum. Compounded annually for the same time. So here N is equal to 3 years. Already you know, if the rate of interest is same, the CI will be more, isn't it? But here the rate of interest is different. We'll see who pays more interest and by how much. So find out SI. Here SI is equal to PRT upon 100, that is 14,500 into 11 into 3 upon 100. So 145 into 11 3s are 33. When you multiply, it will be 4785. SI you got 4785. Now here the CI. First find out the amount. P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N, 14,500 into 1 plus 3 upon 10 upon 100 the whole raised to 3, 0 get cancelled, 14500 into 1 becomes 10 upon 10, 10 plus 1, if I want I will write 1 plus 1 upon 10, so 14,500 into 10 plus 1, 11 upon 10, you will get, you have to write 3 times, 10 10. Now 10 don't cancel because decimals के लिए easy होगा, so आपको मिलेगा 192995, 192995 upon 10. That is a 1 decimal you have to put 19299.50. समझ में आया? 0.5. So extra पैसा है इसके लिए 50. This is what A. Okay. Now CI A minus P 19299.50 minus 14,500, so you got 0.5099. It will be 7, then 4,799.50. So SI is 4785, CI you got 4799.50. Now what they have told, who pays more interest and by how much? Who pays more? So answer, Tarun pays more interest than Aman. By how much? Find out the difference. Nine minus 5, 4, 9 minus 8, 1, 7 by 14 rupees 50 paise. Hope you understood. All are confident. So there are two sums, one is SI, one is CI, and you have to find out the difference between the two. That was question number 6. Now coming to the question number 7. The simple interest on a sum of money for 2 years at 5.5% is rupees 6,600. What will be the compound interest on that sum at the same rate for the same time period? So simple interest is given. So you have to understand the simple interest on a certain sum. So you don't know the sum. So P is equal to rupees P. And SI is given as 6,600. And rate of interest is given 5.5% per annum. So it becomes how much? 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 2% per annum. And time is equal to 2 years. Okay? They have not told, given the principal, they have asked what will be the compound interest on that sum. So find out the sum. So P is equal to, you know, SI is equal to PRT upon 100. So P will be how much? SI into 100. The lower classes you have learnt. SI into 100 upon R into T. So it became 6600 into 100 upon R is 11 by 2. So 11 in the denominator, 2 goes to the numerator, and time 2 years. 2 gets cancelled. 11 ones are 11 6 are 66. So you got P is equal to 6 1 2 3 4, 4 zeros. Got principal as 60,000. Now on that sum, so principal is rupees 60,000 at the same rate. So R is equal to 5.5% per annum. That means 11 by 2% per annum. And N is equal to, now compounded, so N is equal to 2 years. Find out, they have asked what will be the CI. Hope you are understanding. सो फर्स्ट आप लोगों को प्रिंसिपल फाइंड आउट करने का है, क्योंकि SI दिया है तो उसे प्रिंसिपल फाइंड आउट करो, फिर वो प्रिंसिपल के लिए CI कितना है. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 the whole raised to N, 60,000 into 1 plus 11 upon 2, denominator 2 into 100 the whole raised to 2. कैंसलेशन नहीं है, so 60,000 into 1 plus 11 upon 200 the whole raised to 2. 60,000 into ये 200 हो गया, 200 plus 11 211 upon 200, write 2 times. 2 0 2 0 cancel, 2 0 2 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. So you got 211 multiplied by 211 into 3. You will be getting 1335363 1335363 upon 2. 2 6 are 12, 1 remains, 6 are 12, 1 remains, 7s are 14, 1 remains, 8s are 16, 1s are 2, so it is 3, so put the decimal, 1 remains, take extra 0, 5. So you got A is equal to 66,781.50. Now they have asked the CI. A minus P, 66,781.50 minus 60,000. 0.50, 187, 187 and 6. So you got 6,781.50 is the CI. So they have not given the principal. First find out the principal by using the SI, then find the the compound interest. So hope you are confident up to question number 7 of our worksheet 3. Okay then, bye. Thank you. All the best.